Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Did you know you can run ads directly on Telegram? Whether you are promoting a business or growing a channel, Telegram offers a simple ad platform. In this video, I will show you how to run ads on Telegram from your mobile device. So now let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile and navigate to the ad platform by visiting the official link for Telegram ads in your browser. It is the ads.telegram.org. So log in with your Telegram account credentials. So once logged in, tap on Create Campaign and you will be prompted to choose a target audience, set a budget, and select the channels where you want your ads to appear. So be sure to define your audience carefully to reach the right users. So now, it's time to design your ad. Telegram supports text-based ads that appear in public channels. So write a catchy message and you can include a link to your website or Telegram channels. Keep it short and engaging. Now finally, review your ad campaign settings and hit submit. Telegram will review your ad and once approved, it will start showing in your selected channels. And that is how you run ads on Telegram using your mobile device. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.